What's going on, YouTube? Merdicus back here, bringing you guys another video today. Today we're out in Arlington, beautiful little city. Just want to switch it up, you know, give you guys a different vibe. But, you know, we're out here getting better every day, focusing on the grind and getting where we need to be. So, thank you everyone that's been supporting my videos. I really appreciate it. You guys are honestly the best, and I really like this city atmosphere. Definitely different vibe than my suburban two-lane roads everywhere. But wow, look at that BMW. I think it's an M5, M3. I don't know what that one is. That is beautiful. Love the color on that one. But guys, I fixed my BMW in terms of turning it on. Completely off topic from the Prius, but I had to say it. Put the positive cable in it, turned it on. So BMW videos will be back soon. Really love that car. It's a E90 sedan, pre-LCI 2008 328xi. Definitely a lot of car for the money. Unfortunately, I hit the curb and airbags deployed. And when the airbags deploy in a BMW, all the positive, you know, energy or whatever, electricity shuts off the engine, basically. Can't turn it on, can't drive it. It's undrivable until you fix this issue. And I just fixed it, turned it on. Engine sounded really good. I don't think I really broke anything. It's just I hit the curb and the airbags went off. So BMWs, they want to steal your money as much as they can, so they have really sensitive airbag sensors on it. But I don't blame them. It's for safety. I'm glad I'm okay otherwise. But I'm gonna go visit my grandma. That's why I'm making this little video right here. Make sure you go visit the family, you know, that cares about you and loves you. And I say that just because everyone has a different situation. I don't know your situation personally, but I just want to spread positivity and good vibes. And, you know, this whole time we've been living in 2020, 2021, going into 2022, it's been rough on pretty much everybody on this planet. I mean, so much has happened. I definitely feel like we're all going to the online world. We have NFTs now, people selling digital art. Digital skins on Fortnite. Think about all this stuff they're selling online. Like, you can't even have it in the real world. Not trying to get all you know, philosophical and stuff, but you know, I really want to put my foot down and, you know, be a presence online, be a creator, support my fellow, you know, viewers and supporters. You guys are honestly the best. You guys help Merdicus out tremendously. And you guys will never be forgotten. And, you know, I love all of you. I love all my supporters. Shout out Taz with the fire emoji. A1, brother. Shout out all the supportive messages. I mean, you guys are honestly, you have no idea the impact it has on my little heart. Really makes me feel good and continue to make these awesome videos for you guys. And, you know, all I want to do is just spread love, positivity, and good vibes. You know, switch it up, because I mean, there's a lot of doom and gloom when I go online. I'm not trying to say everything's doom and gloom, but I see a lot of it, and, you know, I'm trying to be a change and provide something different. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. My name's Merdicus. I'm making car vlogs. I will be making gaming content. I'm waiting on a graphics card from my brother. He's a professional gamer. I will tag his channel. He's insane at Valorant. I've never seen anything like it. He's on some Tom Brady stuff right now, but, you know, I'm not trying to hype him up too much, but I believe he's like top 1% in the world in that game. So shout out my little brother. Whoa. So anyways, everything's been good. I want everyone, you know, watching this to feel good. And I'm gonna take a right here. Just go through this neighborhood. But like I was saying, guys, I mean, I'm so appreciative of the love and support I've gotten on this channel. You know, I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm aiming for 100K subscribers for 2022. Hopefully we can get there. Everyone watching this, you're basically an OG. I've really started putting my foot down on the YouTube, and you know, I'm really trying to grind and, you know, get better. So love all the support. Like I was saying, I'm gonna comment down below what you guys want to see, what I can improve on. Probably gonna make different types of videos. Like I was saying, gaming. I do a lot of gym work. I like to go to the gym, and I also like basketball. Excuse me, I had a brain fart right there. Basketball and some other things too. So, you know, I'll mix it up this channel, continue making these Prius videos. I love making them. Look at all these decorations. That guy went all out. He's Prius Lord right there. Look at that. He got all the Priuses. Nice little neighborhood down here. Oh, look at that BMW. Is that 5 Series? Yeah, 535. It's a nice car. Kind of just touring random places. This is not my normal area that I stay in. I'm just visiting my grandma, so bear with me. Just give a little tour. But Prius has been awesome, guys. Got new tires, got a new set of tires for this. Been super sweet to drive. And you know, we're just out here cruising. Let's see what my mileage was. That was my mileage. Pretty good, 43.6. I do have a lead foot just because I drive a BMW, or was driving one. But I am gonna get it fixed, like I was saying, and we'll be making more videos. But 43.6 is really good considering how I drive the car. I do not drive it like a normal Prius. But honestly, recently I've been pretty conservative in using gas, just because the prices of gas have gone up. Prices of everything, I feel like, have gone up. But you know, we're just out here cruising and having a good time. So make sure you like this video. Like I was saying, it really helps my, you know, channel grow, and you know, it'll help me make more videos. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go see my grandma. You guys have a wonderful holidays. It's gonna be New Year's soon. Probably do another video on that. And yeah, we'll catch you guys soon. America's out. Peace.